We got one screw here, one on each side. First step, we gotta take off the grill. There's this little tab on each side. One on here, one over here. And then we got two 10mm nuts that we take off. And it'll come right out. Then we have two 10mm bolts on top. I've got one down here in the corner, and then I have another one behind the fender inside that you have to reach as well. Alrighty. Remove your little plastic cover inside the wheel well, and reach your hand into it, and it'll be right on the other side of this fender. We also got this little trim piece down here. It's a little tab. You get with your little flat head to remove it. And pull right out. Alrighty, after you get that bolt in the back corner, the headlight should just come right out with a little bit of wiggling. Take out your bulbs in the back. Your headlight, marker light, and you're all done. Alrighty, after you did all your connections, we can put everything back together again. Turn signal, marker light, and connect. Factory plug into the outlet. Okay, there we go. Now, put everything back inside. Okay, I'll put this in. Okay. And just gotta screw everything back inside.